This week on my YouTube channel, I'm going to introduce you to arguably the best golf course $1 million luxury property you've ever seen. This home is located in Stonebriar Village at 4805 Pinehurst Drive and overlooks the 9th hole of Stonebriar Golf Course. The views are spectacular, the amenities and features will blow you away. This 4-bedroom, 5 full bath home with study, excellent updates, and over 4,600 square feet has it all. It's a heated bathroom floor. Wow! So join me as we take a tour of 4805 Pinehurst in Frisco, Texas. Yes!
Gotta do it big.
Oh yeah.
I gotta do it big.
How do they do that?
I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big. That's the only way to live. Come on.